Welcome to All Things Tech. Today, we're exploring something a little different, but trust me, it's worth it. This isn't just fashion, it's wearable art, designed with precision and creativity, just like the tech we love. Introducing the Red Fantasy Dress, a piece that blends storytelling, aesthetics, and craftsmanship in one unforgettable look. The first thing you'll notice is the color. It's not just red, it's a deep, luxurious crimson that holds warmth, mystery, and elegance. It changes slightly in the light, shifting between blood red and scarlet depending on the environment. The shade was carefully chosen to stand out in any setting, whether you are under natural sunlight, soft candlelight, or even behind the lens of a professional camera. Now let's talk about the design. This is a full length, flow sweeping gown made from high quality chiffon and satin blend. It's soft to the touch and has the perfect amount of weight so it flows beautifully without dragging you down. The silhouette is inspired by medieval and fantasy fashion, with a cinched waist, dramatic sleeves, and a layered skirt that adds volume without being overwhelming. The bodice is corset style with adjustable lacing at the back. That means it hugs your body in all the right places and flatters a variety of shapes and sizes. The sleeves are long and slightly flared at the cuffs, giving you the dramatic royal look with every gesture. And the neckline, tastefully low, framed by a gentle curve that looks amazing whether you're wearing statement jewelry or keeping it simple. Let's zoom in on the details. Embroidered vine patterns wrap subtly around the bodice and sleeves, with tiny gold accents that catch the light. These aren't printed designs, they're stitched directly into the fabric, giving the dress real texture and dimension. Every stitch is intentional, and the overall effect is stunning up close and from afar. This dress isn't just for show, it's built to be worn. It's breathable, flexible, and surprisingly comfortable. You can walk, pose, dance, even climb a stone staircase without feeling restricted. Whether you are attending a cosplay event, a fantasy themed wedding, a photo shoot, or even creating content for your own creative projects, this dress delivers on both performance and style. When it comes to styling, you can go as simple or as bold as you like. Pair it with a velvet cloak, a jeweled crown, or a staff if you're building a fantasy character. Add some glowing makeup, dark lipstick, or a soft ethereal glow for that enchanted look. Or wear it with minimal accessories and let the dress speak for itself, it has enough presence to carry the entire vibe on its own. Now let's talk about price. This dress is currently available for $190. Considering the craftsmanship, material quality, and the versatility it offers for fantasy lovers, creators, and fashion collectors alike, it's a solid investment. You are not just buying a dress, you are adding a cinematic piece to your wardrobe. This is where creativity and fashion meet storytelling, and it's exactly the kind of crossover we love on this channel. If you are into high concept fashion, immersive aesthetics, and experiences that blend design with imagination, this dress is a must have. Subscribe to All Things Tech for more reviews, unique finds, and creative fashion tech crossovers. We're all about innovation, whether it's in silicone or in silk. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Stay bold, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.